Mahigit 6 sa bawat 10 Canadian hirap nang makabayad ng kanilang mortgage. Ayon sa bagong poll na inilabas ng Leger, ang pinakaapektadong edad na hirap dito sa report ni Teresa Radula.
6 sa bawat 10 Canadians na may mortgage. Hirap nang magbayad ngayon at naghihigpit sinturon na dahil dito. Ito ayon sa poll na inilabas ng Leger Martes, kung saan nakitang mas hirap makipagsabayan sa mga bayarin ang mas nakababatang homeowners.
Especially people my age, if they want to buy a house, it's more efficient to rent. Everyone's renting, no one's really buying.
Ayon pa sa survey, mas ramdam ang bigat nito ng mga mortgage holders na edad 34 years old pababa kumpara sa mga mayroong mortgage na 35 years old pataas.
Yung increase nyo na pinaka-stressful. Tsaka kung mawalan ka ng trabaho.
If you have a house, everything is so expensive. Okay? Property tax, maintenance, utilities, everything.
Kung masyadong malaki yung binili mong bahay, tapos hindi appropriate yung sweldo mo, yun naman nakaka-stress.
Nitong nakaraang linggo lamang nang ibaba ng Bank of Canada ang kanilang key interest rate sa 4.75% na ginhawa kung ituring ng marami. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito'y abot kaya na ang pagbili ng sariling tahanan para sa younger Canadians.
I feel like I can't do anything anytime soon. You can't really save up, and I feel like it'll take forever to put a down payment on a house, so it is very stressful because I feel like it could last my whole life.
People are really having a hard time, buying, especially the young generation. They're stuck with high mortgages and high rents and high inflation, and mortgage rates are not going down very much.
Sa mga may mortgage na magre-renew na sa susunod na 2 taon, 66% ang planong dumikit sa fixed rate, 11% sa variable rate, habang 24% ang hindi pa rin desidido.
4 years ago, clients or people were enjoying rates of nasa mga 2%-ish, right? And then it went up, went up, went up. Review muna nila ngayon. For me, it's best if they don't jump in because we expect the rates to, again, these are projections, no, Teresa? They expect another rate cut and another rate cut and another rate cut before the end of the year.
Ayon sa mortgage broker, inaasahang dadaming muli ang interes sa pagbili ng tahanan sa pagbaba ng policy rate ng Bangko Sentral. Payo niya sa nais maging homeowners.
Maybe this is the time to start looking kasi if the rates keep on going down, then there will be more interests sa pagbili ng bahay, which means tataas naman ang value ng mga properties.
Nakatakdang i-anunsyo ng Bank of Canada ang susunod na interest rate sa July 24. Teresa Radula, Omni News, Toronto.